that you have sent it. Okay, so others, I will wait for your homeworks, okay, today. Okay, so now without wasting time, no, you cannot complete your homework in textbook. No, no, not at all. You have to do it in notebook and send it. And those who have sent it, just check it. Just check it. Check Manas's homework, check Omkar's homework, check the others people's also homework. They are doing very good. See their handwritings. See the way of writing the homeworks. I just like it. Just like it. Okay. So that was the way to do the homework. Hmm? It doesn't mean that sir has given and we'll complete it fast. No. Give your time. Write it in good handwriting so that other or teacher can understand what you have written. Okay. So do your work with dedication. Without dedication, if you are going to do, it is useless. Okay. So if you want to do complete homeworks, complete it by a heart. Okay, means give your 100%. I want to say. Hmm? Okay, you did it, then send it. Hmm? Okay. So now we'll not have discussion on homeworks. We'll have discussion on it afterwards. Okay. Now today we are going to learn analogy of figures. Yesterday we have seen that two pairs of words will be given. In first two pairs we have to establish the relation. Hmm? The same relation you have to establish between the third and fourth. Okay, that is about analogy of words. Same here. Four figures will be given. Sorry, three figures will be given. Okay, first one. Hmm? It will have the some relationship between the second. You have to find that relationship, and then you have to establish the relation between third and the fourth figure. Okay, you have to get it the fourth figure by determining this relationship. Okay, so that is analogy of figure. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on. Hmm? Omkar, it's okay, dear. Hmm? Not a big deal, not a big problem. It's okay. Hmm? I understand. Okay, now introduction. Here, you will be given figures that bear. I already told you that bear some kind of relationship, that have. We have observed. Already I told you. We have observed which changes in the first question figure give rise to the second question figure. Okay, means two figures will be there. We have to observe it. What changes has taken place into the first figure, and we got the second figure. We have to observe the changes in the first figure. Definitely, when we solve the example, you will have a good idea. Hmm? After applying the same changes, in the third and fourth figure. Yes, once you get the relationship, how first figure changes to the second figure, same criteria you have to apply between third and the fourth figure, and you have to find out the correct figure. Okay, for this you will have to consider some point. Which are those points that will be useful while establishing relationship or defining relationship? Hmm? So here are some points. If you want to note it down, you can see the number of lines. You can take into consideration the number of dots, the number of symbols in the given figure. Okay, suppose here are the 4 lines. Okay, in this, this square is of square. This figure is of square, and here it is a triangle. It means what? Here are where the 4 lines. Here are the 3 lines. So one line is less. Okay, so that number of lines, dots. Okay, suppose figure is like this. Okay, here are the 4 dots. Here are the three dots. You have to see one dot is less. So you have to define a relationship with the help of lines, dots, and any other symbols. There will be more symbols. Okay, so you have to go for it. Yes, Omkar, you have to. Yes, Omkar, your doubt is right. Omkar is asking that can we establish the relationship? Suppose you want to say like this: one, suppose this is two, this is three, and this is four. Okay, sometime, not all the time, very rarely. Very rarely we have to see the first and third figure. Sometimes it is not possible that we wouldn't get a relationship between first and second figure, but there will be some relationship between first and third. At that time only I said at that time, but I think that will be a rarely question. असे फार थोडे प्रश्न असतील की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सेकंड आणि फर्स्ट आणि थर्ड फिगर मध्ये रिलेशनशिप जे आहे तसंच रिलेशन सेकंड आणि फोर्थ मध्ये एस्टॅब्लिश करावं लागेल. Very rare question will be there, very rare. Otherwise everywhere you have to establish the relation between first and second, and you have to see then for the third and fourth. Okay, when you solve the example you will come to know. Some examples are also there in the exercise that you have to establish the relation between first and third figure. Okay, now what you other things you know? The change in the place of is symbol. Suppose this is a square. In the other figure square is also there, but inside it circle was here. Now in the second figure circle is here. What is mean? It means that circle has moved clockwise or change its position clockwise. Okay, so that change in place of each symbol we should take into consideration. Okay, that is the point. Next is what? The change in the size of the figure. See, we'll give the example. The change in the size of the figure. Suppose question is like this. Okay, so what will be the fourth figure? Yes, here big circle is the small circle, change in size. So here now small square will be there. It's easy. Yeah, so size of the figure you should take into consideration sometime. Okay, at other sometime, the last point is that, yes, not a list but very important, mirror images. Yes, good, mirror images and a water reflection you have to see. Hmm? Mirror images and water reflection. Yes, Manasvi is saying okay. What? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yes, you have to see whether it is changed clockwise or anti-clockwise. You have to see. When we will do the examples now, you will get it that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So very good, Manasvi, Pranit, Omkar. You are giving a good suggestions. Okay. So have you got it? Once again, I repeat. You have to see number of lines, dots, and symbols. Then you have to see a change in the place of each symbol. Then you have to look for change in the size, and then you have to see whether it is mirror images or water reflection. Okay, now let's move on. And we will start the examples directly. Okay, see, you will give me the answer, but at the same time you will give me the reason also. तुम्ही सांगणार उत्तर मला, पण सोबत तुम्ही रिझन पण सांगायचं आहे. ओके, हाऊ you have to justify your answer. If you go in the court and start talking in front of judge, what judge will ask you? Yes, give me the proof. Then and he will be convinced that whatever you are saying is true. So same like here. If you are saying your answer is option number 4, you have to justify your answer. Okay, you should have that enough proof to say that your answer is correct. Got it? What I am saying? Hope you got it. Okay, so here we go. Yesterday I told you sometime question will be given, sometime only dots will be given. Even there is only dots, we have to understand it is a question of analogy. Yes, yes everyone. Okay. Yes, suppose that I am a judge and you are advocate. Okay, so you have to justify your side. Okay, next one. Question is that in each of the questions given below, there is a certain relationship between the first and the second figure. See, there is some relationship between first and second figure. The same relationship between exists between the third and fourth. I already told you, same relation will be between the third and the fourth figure. We have to get it what the relation is. See, find the relation. We have to find out. Choose the correct answer to replace the question marks, and then we have to select from the alternatives which figure can replace these question marks and which can fulfill the relationship that we have already established in the first pair. Got it? Okay, so let's move on. Think about this figure that is given as a question number 1 and tell me the correct answer with the reason, dear. No, not true. Those are saying true. I'm sorry, you are wrong, dear. You are wrong. Those are saying yes, water reflection, but answer is wrong. Those who are saying true. Observe it carefully. Yes, it is a water reflection images. Yeah, we know it in water reflection. Up becomes down. Okay, down becomes up. We know it. Left remains left. In I'm talking about water images. Right remains left. Sorry, right remains right. What changes? Only up becomes down, down becomes up in water images. Okay, so definitely here is a water images. Now we have to find out the water image for the given figure. So let's see. Okay, it is here. Okay, I told you down becomes up. See, this is to left side. This is means the angle of line will be same. No change in it. So see, this is changing the angle, so wrong. This is also changing the angle, wrong. This is also changing the angle, wrong. So only one figure is there. And see, the parallel line portion, shaded portion is at up. In the water figure, it will come down. See, it is here. So the correct water images of this figure is option number 3. Got it, everyone? Hello, everyone. Have you got it? Hope you got it. Yeah. Okay. So if you have got it, we will move to the second question. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next point. Okay. How you didn't understand how? It is clear. See, water images, left, and this is right. So it should be left and right. Only this figure is there. And see, this shaded portion is at up. So in the answer figure, in the water figure, it should be the bottom portion should be shaded. So option number 3. Got it, everyone? Or not yet? Correct answer is 2. Who's saying correct answer is 2? Not dear, it is 3. Check it. Okay, let's move on. Those who have doubts, they will tell me afterwards. Okay, justify your answer. If you are saying 2. Those are saying 2, justify your answers fast. How? Those are saying to justify your answer. Prove yourself. Everyone, observe carefully. Yes, it is 3 only. It is 3 only. Okay. So, let's move on to the next question. Okay. Next figure is. It's easy. Here it is. Yeah. See the second figure. See the second figure. Omkar, whatever your doubt is, we'll discuss it later. Now let's move to the second question. We should not waste time more on a single question. Whatever your doubts, definitely I will clear you after the class. Yes, second. Think about the second. Yes, I think somebody has gave the answer. Option number 4 is the right answer, everyone. Option number 4. Now justify your answer. This answer I already told you that this answer is correct. But how? How? Tell me how. Yes, everyone. Please justify your answer. Yeah, I got it 4, but how 4? Okay, I will explain. See, okay, this arrow is to the left side. Yes, it is to the left side. Now it is here to the right side. Means it is arrow is mirror image. Okay, now see, it is to the. Now it will change the direction as the arrow direction it changes here. Okay, it will change the direction. So direction will be to the right side. Yes, right side. Okay. So right side arrow direction, this and this is there. This is cancelled. This will be cancelled because arrow direction is the same there. Okay, so only we have now only two figures left to choose it from it. Now see about this circle. Circle was down, circle went up. So here, circle is at the right side. Now it will go to the left side. So where it is at left side, it is here. So option number 4 is the correct one. Got it, everyone? Hello, everyone. Have you got it? समझ ले again now? Okay, I will explain this question once again. Once again, I will explain this question to you. Wait. Okay, see the direction of first of all arrow. In the first figure, direction of arrow is to the left side. In the second figure, direction of arrow is to the right side. Means direction opposite. Okay. So see, third figure, direction of arrow is to the left. Now it will be to the right. So it is here and it is here. This will be automatically cancelled as the same direction of arrow is there. Okay, now see the position of circle. Circle of position is at down. It changes and it goes up. So now the position of square also will change and it will took place over here. Okay, so this will be cancelled and the fourth one is correct one. Got it? Hello everyone, have you got it? Okay, please explain the first question. Okay, I think most of the students has having a doubt with the first question, so I will explain the first question once again. No problem at all. Okay, first, okay, it is here. Those still students are having doubts about the first question, I am taking it again. See, okay, this is M. How M will look in a water? Like this. Is it right? Okay, zoom please. If I'll zoom, you won't be able to see it. Okay, so now this is enough. Yes, okay. Now tell me, how will the water image of this figure will appear? Yes, everyone. How the water image of this figure will appear? Voice are not coming. Yes, check it yourself. It right? Am I audible to everyone? Hello? Am I audible to everyone? Yes, no? Yes, no? Am I audible? Still you're saying two. How I cannot understand. How you're saying 2 years? How you're saying two? Will it change the direction? What do you think? Will it change the direction? How you're saying two? I cannot understand. It will be like option number 3. Yes, no? Huh? Yes, then how you're saying option number 2? I cannot understand. Huh? Yes, no? See, the position is left and right. And I told you, in water image, left remains left, right remains right. So why you are changing the position in option number 2? The opposite sides are there, right and left. So this is totally wrong. How you are saying this? Okay, it will not change left side and right side. It will be as it is. Only what will change? Shaded portion is at up. Shaded portion will be at down now. That one changes will be there in it. And so option number 3 is correct. And if you still having a doubt, call me after the class. I will explain it briefly. Okay, now enough. Okay, question number 1. I hope your doubts was clear now. Try to understand the difference between water reflection and mirror images. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here, question number 3. Question number 3. Observe the figures given and then explain your answers or justify your answers. Observe it carefully. Yeah? Observe it carefully. Yes, option number 2, but how? Yes, option number 2 is right. But can you tell me how? It is already given there. Yes, answer is already given here. You can see it here. But how? How? My question is there. How? How it is there? Yes, can anybody? Don't post the answer. I want the reason. At least one student should give the reason instead of posting it the correct answer. Hello, I want the reason. Can you please? Yes, no. Okay, option number 2, Omkar, right. But why? Why? Okay, let me explain. Okay, this is a figure. If you rotate it, suppose like this. Suppose, I'm not saying this is the right way. Okay, then it will appear like this. Am I right? We have rotated it like this. And suppose if you rotate vice versa means anti-clockwise. Suppose anti-clockwise. So tell me, should we rotate it clockwise or should we rotate it anti-clockwise to get this figure? What do you think? Anti-clockwise, clockwise. Hmm. What do you think? Should we rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise? If we rotate it, okay. First of all, tell me. Okay, we'll rotate it first of all. Suppose. If we rotate it clockwise, will you get this figure? We will rotate it like this. Do we get this figure? Yeah, definitely. Yes, no. Definitely, no. Yeah. And if you rotate this like this also, clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise, then also we are going to get this. Okay, no doubt about it. But think about the question figure now. Okay, if we rotate it anti-clockwise, okay, as you say anti-clockwise, okay, so definitely yes, this circle, see, this circle should appear here. So where it is not here, it is here, it is not here. So only we have two figures left, option 2 and 3, okay, that have circle at the correct position. Okay, then why option 2, why not option 3? Or both the options are correct? What do you think? Option 2 and option 3 is the same figure? Check it. No, it's not the same. Or same? Check it. No, it's not the same, I think. Yeah, it's not. Yes, Omkar, you didn't have to understand the first question. I will explain it later. Okay. Yes, if you rotate it anti-clockwise, you will get the second figure. Yes, not a third figure. Second figure, you will get it. So the correct answer is second one. Got it? Everyone clear? Yeah. Okay. No. What is for no? What you are posting for no? Okay. So option number 2 is correct. Yeah. Have you understood? I think it was easy. Not was a big deal. Got it, everyone? Option number 2. Yeah. Manasri, yes. Option number 2 is the right answer. Pranit Swami, option number 2. Okay. Let's go for the next question. Yes. And this is also very simple. Very simple it is. Can you tell me which is the correct one from this? This is first and second figure. We have to establish the relation between third and the fourth figure. Yes, everyone. Alia, what you didn't understood? Okay, hurry up, answer me fast. We don't have too much time. Yes, option number 1. Why? See, circle was here, circle moved here, okay, to the adjacent side. And circle was shaded here. In the next figure, circle is not color. See about the triangle. Triangle has moved to the next square. It was uncolored or unshaded, and here it is colored. So what is the similarity? Symbol goes one square ahead and it changes color into without color and without color into color. That is a simple thing. Okay, and how it is changing? See, it is changing clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Okay, symbol is moving clockwise. See, like this way. Hmm? Like this way, clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So same criteria we will apply over here. Circle is there, circle will go up. So where is the circle? At up, it is here, it is here, it is not here. So this figure will be cancelled. It is here. Now circle was colored here, so now circle will be without color. So where it is colored here, so this figure cancel. It is colored here, so this figure cancel. So we have only one option left, that is option number 1. Got it now, everyone? Is it clear? Hello, this was the easy question. Yeah, okay, good. Everyone, Avdut, okay, Pranit Swami, very good. Onkar, good. Asutosh, good. Okay, I hope you got this question. So we will take the next question. Actually, this was the model questions. Okay, they already solved. Now which we are going to solve, that is from the exercise. Okay, I have directly taken question number 3. Okay, question number 1 is here. Same question is there and it's easy. So you have to establish the relation between these two and you have to get it, the relation between these two. Yes. Option number and justify your answer. Option number 3, Onkar, yes, but why? Reason, please. Reason, Prisha. Reason, Prajakta. Reason, please. Reason, please. Everyone, reason, yes. Option number 3, I already told you this is the correct answer, but the reason, nobody's sending the reason. Yes, it is a mirror image. It is a mirror image, everyone. It is clear to you. Already we discussed about it. See, square was at left side, so in mirror image it goes to the right side. Okay, triangle was at the right side, in mirror image it appears at the left side, because we know it, left becomes right and right becomes left in mirror image. So now circle will be as it is, no change in it. Only this triangle is to the left side. Now it will appear to the right side. Okay, and it will be up only. See, in mirror image, up remains up, down. So triangle should be at up only. It is here at down, so this is cancelled. Okay, it is in the middle, so this is also cancelled. Okay, now we have only options number 3 and 4 left. But see, triangle is okay with the triangle, no problem. But about this one, see, about this zigzag line, we have to see about this zigzag line. See, zigzag line starts from right side. Yeah, so it will start from left side in the mirror image. See, it is here, and that's why option number 3 is correct. So Prerna, Jayan, okay, those who have posted the option number 3, they are right. Well done. Okay, I'm not taking everyone's name because that much time I don't have. Those who have posted option number 3, they are right. Okay, let's move on to the second question. Same thing is here, only one thing you have to change. Yes, see the figure number 2nd. Everyone, see the figure number 2nd and tell me the correct answer. 4, 4, 4. Okay, most of the students are saying 4. Okay, somebody is saying 1. Okay, so there is confusion between 1 and 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Avdut 4, Divya 4, Rohini 4. Okay, okay, let's see. See, this circle was at up. In the next page, it is there. Means it is a water image. because up becomes down, down becomes up in water image. So it is water image. Okay, and this moves, it is at down, this moves goes up. Okay, so definitely it is a water image. Okay, now see, up, down, down, up. You have to see it. Now see about this arrow. Arrow is at down, so in water image it should be at up. So where it is here at down, so this is cancelled. Okay, it is here at up, it is here at up, it is here at up. Okay, with arrow. Okay, now let's think about the circle. Circle is at up, now it should be at down. Okay, it is at down here, it is at down here, it is at down. Okay with it, no problem. Now let's move on. Yes, see, this smaller portion we can see, this smaller portion is at up, this bigger portion is at down. Now it will change. Yeah, bigger portion will be up. So see, bigger portion will be up and no change in the left right. See, it changes the direction. This is cancel. Okay, so see, bigger portion is here. Up to here it is okay. Smaller is down. Up to here it is also okay. Now what makes a difference between second and 4C? We have only two figures left now to be a right answer, either 2 or either 4. For that you need to observe the figure carefully. See this shaded portion. Shaded portion is at up. So in water image, it should be at down. So it is here at up, and that's why this figure will get cancelled. And in fourth figure, it is at downside. So this is supposed to be correct in all manner. And this is a correct water image of this image. Got it, everyone? See, each and every symbols is important. You have to see very carefully, means you need a keen observation. Yes, everyone, have you understood? Can we move on? Yes, we will move on to the next question. Yeah, okay, let's see the next question. Okay, third and fourth. It is here. See these figures. Establish relation between these two, and then think about this one. Hmm. Hmm. I already told you, those who have confused, those who have doubt, please ask me later. Yeah. Yes, everyone, think about this figure number 3. It's very easy. Not option number 1. No. No, dear. Those are saying option number 1. They are wrong. They are wrong. Not option number 2 also. Option number 2 is also not correct. Option number 2 is also not correct. Observe each and every alternative, each and every choice carefully. There is little difference between each figure. Observe it. Yes, here you are. Those are saying option number 4. They are right. They are right. How? I will tell you. See, identical image, similar images there. Only size matters here. Here a big smile, big size. Here is a small size. Same thing. Identical we have to find out, but it is in bigger size. So see, it is exactly same. So cancel, definitely cancel. Okay, now we have only option number 2, option number 3, option number 4 left. But see, if you observe the lines na, in between this first quarter of part, see, you will see the slanting lines like this. So see, it is here in the second figure, lines is like this in the first quarter. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Third and fourth figure, see, line is slanting. Yes, in fourth figure also line is slanting. Okay, so now see the second quarter. Second quarter line is horizontal. Here also horizontal, and I think here is also horizontal. I cannot see the figure clearly. Yes, it is horizontal. Yeah, now line, see the third quarter lines is like this. Here also lines are like this. Yeah, now think about the fourth quarter and remaining quarter. Hmm? Lines are vertical. Here also, I cannot see the figure carefully. What is there? Verticals or slanting? I don't have the books right with me now. Okay, no problem. See, I think here you can see clearly the figures are, sorry, the lines are vertical. Here I think it is like this. Check it. Question number 3, not in 26 edition. Okay, good. 0. Okay. V2 zoom. Okay, zoom. Okay, fine, no problem. If I zoom it, you won't be able to see it. Okay, that's why I'm not zooming it. Okay, but I think, okay, as I can see it over here, option number 3 looks as a correct. Hmm? I will observe the textbook once again afterwards and will tell you the correct answer, because I cannot see the lines inside it. Okay, what types of lines are there in the fourth figure? Okay, so what was I telling you? That lines matter. So I told you every each and every figure you have to observe carefully. There will be some little bit difference will be there. Okay, okay, zoom it. Okay, if I am zooming it, you won't be able. That's why I'm not zooming it. But you say I will zoom it. Can you see it clearly now? Not yet. I already zoom it, dear. How much I can zoom it now? Okay, once again I will zoom it. चलो आपके लिए कुछ भी. Hmm. Now hope you can see the fourth figure at least clearly. Yeah, can you see it clearly now? Okay, I cannot zoom more than that. Huh? Enough now. Okay, now move to the next figure. Hmm. Next figure is this. I think you can observe it clearly. Not yet. Okay, I think sir standing. Okay, I think I have to minimize it, because I can see that on screen you cannot see properly if I zoom it. Wait, just 2 minutes. I will zoom it, zoom out, so you can see. Yes, okay. Just 2 minutes. Huh? Okay, now is it enough, everyone? Is it enough? Yes, I think it is enough for you. Now here you can see questions also and their right answers also. Can you see? Okay, okay. I think fourth figure you cannot see, so I have to zoom out. That's why I was not zooming out. Okay, wait. Okay, I have minimized it for you. Just a minute. Okay, hope you will able to. Yes, now it is clear. Okay, so see option number 1, option number 2, and 3 and 4. Now go for it. Option number 4. Most of the saying yes. Option number 4. Yes, yes. Option number 4. But why and how? How? Yes, definitely they are. Symbols are changing the positions. Yes, somebody has answered. Symbols are changing their positions. Good. See, okay. This is going where? See, where it is. This is moving like this. See, anti-clockwise. Yeah, this has moved here anti-clockwise, and this also has moved here anti-clockwise. Okay, so same will happen in the third and fourth figure. Yeah, see, this symbol will move anti-clockwise, means it should be here. So where it is here. It is not here, so cancel this figure. It is here. Yes, it is not. It is the same figure. No, sorry, this is the wait. Ah, okay, this is correct. This is not. This is here. Okay, so we have only two options left. either first or fourth. Now let's see about this. This should have, okay, let's think about this. This heart shape should be here. So where it is here, and it is here also. Okay, so still figure number 1 and figure number 4 are in race. Okay, figure number 1 and figure number 4 are still in race. They are not disqualified. Only these two members has disqualified. Okay, now think about this square. It should be here. So it is here. Yes, still it is qualifying. Okay, and still it is qualifying. Okay, yeah, okay, still they are in rest, still they are running. Okay, now I think these symbols matter a lot. Only the last symbol remain, and it matters a lot. It should be here. So where it is? It is here also, and I think it is here also. So according to me, both are the winners. Option number 1 and option, because exactly same figures are there. Exactly same figures are there. Okay, so option number 1 is also a winner. Option number 4 is also a winner. Both are considered to be a correct answer because no change I can see in between 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are exactly same. If you can see any difference, tell me. But as I can see on the screen, not a difference, single difference is there in between 1 and 4. So option number 1 and 4 both will be considered as a correct answer. Got it? Hmm? Yes. Hope you got it. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So see, for analyzing the figures, you need a observation, very careful observation. One symbols can change your answers. One missed things and you will lose your marks. So observe it carefully. Now the next one. Consider about these two figures. And then tell me about what will be there instead of question mark. Yes, everyone, get ready and tell me. Hmm. Tapasya is saying answer number 1. Okay, let's see about the others answer. Tapasya 1. Shri 1. Okay, I'm waiting for your replies, dear. Fast. Okay, one. Everybody is saying 1. Pranit, Rupali. Okay, I think I got a different answer from Avdut. 4. Unkar 1. Pranit 1. Vedant 1. Okay, Unkar 1. Vedant Mrunal. Okay, Vedant, Prerna, Mrunak, Prerna. Okay. Now, can anybody explain me? If 1, why? If 4, why? Hmm. Okay, let's see about the. See, there is a position change. There is a change in the position of the symbols. If you observe it carefully, you will notice it. See the first figure. Circle is here. Now, we can say that circle is moved half only, not full. Half only. How? Anti-clockwise. Circle is moved half anti-clockwise. Whereas plus symbol moved clockwise and fully he had moved. In 90 degrees he moved. Okay? Fully he had moved. So same will happen here also. Okay? This symbol will move only half. So it must be here. It must be here because it will move anti-clockwise and half only. So where it is? It is in figure number 1. It is not in figure number 2. So disqualified. It is also not here. So disqualified. Now only option number 1 and 4 left. Okay. Now think about these symbols. It should move completely 90 degrees and clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. So it must be here now. So yes, it is there in option number 1. It is there in option number 4. So they are still having a rest with them. Okay, so next symbol matters here. Okay, Omkar, you are typing so fastly. Good, and explaining in good way. Okay, so triangle is here, and triangle is moved clockwise and half only inside inside it. Okay, so now I think it is this symbol should move half only and clockwise. So it should be here. Yeah, it should be here. It should be here. So where it is? Where it is? It is in option number 1, I think, dears. It is in option number 1. And see about this circle. Sorry, see about this. Okay, see about this square. Square is moved fully and anti-clockwise. So this will move fully and anti-clockwise. So it will be. So according to me, option number 1 is correct. Yes, am I right, everyone? This is not, because star should not appear here. So this is a wrong. He lose the race, and option number 1 is the winner. Got it? Okay, Onkar, I got your answers. You are explaining in good way. But how much time you are getting to type so much? Okay, good. So everybody got it. Option number 1 is correct. Manasvi, yes, 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 yes. Option number 1 is correct. Yes, can we move to the next question if it is clear to everyone? Hello, can we move on? Yes, no. At least type yes, no. Yes, okay, good. At least some student, one student is obedient. He is replying me yes, no. Good. Okay. Others are just in hurry up to give the answers. When so you'll ask and when I will give the answers. Okay. This is already done. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Beta 3, 4, 5 we have done. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 we have done. Okay. Now think about the question number 6. Think about it. Shreyas, what you are saying, Ira, what does it mean? Okay, see, while posting or chatting in the class, be careful. Okay, if I find anything wrong that you are posting in a chat box during the session, after the session, he or she will be immediately removed without any notice. Okay, you have given a permission to chat. Why? To give the answers only and to ask your doubts, not for any other things. You are not supposed to post any emojis, any other stupid things in this chat box. I repeat, if I observe it, if I notified it, if I notice it, definitely he or she will be punished in some other ways. Okay, so hope my instructions are clear and very clear to everyone. It won't be tolerated at all. Okay, so question number 6. Yes. Hmm. Arey Omkar, I was not talking to you. I was talking about other students. Okay. No need to say sorry. It's okay. Ah, yes, everyone. Question number. Hmm. Yes, think about this. How it is rotated. Hmm. Option number 1. Yes, most of the students are saying option number 1. But how? How? Yes, Vedant, Avdut, Manasvi. Same name I can see on the screen. Only few students are replying. What about others? Yes, Omkar, same names appears here. Everybody has to reply, so I can understand that you understood it. Shreyas, good. Atharva, good. Soham, good. Okay. So, can anybody explain me how? See, there is again position it changes. Okay, position it changes. Now, see, as Omkar already asked one question, that can we establish the relationship between first and third? Definitely, but I think here is a mistake. This figure should be at here. Printing mistake, I think so, because it won't happen in these types of questions. Analogy मध्ये फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड फिगर मध्येच आपल्याला रिलेशनशिप इस्टॅब्लिश करायचं असतं, फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड मध्ये नाही. सो आय थिंक इट इज अ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक्स. लेट मेक इस करेक्ट इट. Take this figure over here and take this figure over here and then tell me the answers. Okay, printing mistake it is. Don't get confused. In analogy, you have to establish the relation between only first and second figure, not first and third figure, or not second and third figure. So it is clear. It is printing mistakes. Okay. Consider this as a first figure, consider this as a second figure, consider this as a third figure, and tell me what will be the fourth figure. Yes, option number 1 is correct, but how? See, it is rotating. It is rotating. If you rotate it anti-clockwise, what will happen? See, if you rotate it anti-clockwise, will we get this figure? Are you agree? Sorry, do you agree with it? Will we get this figure if we rotate it anti-clockwise? Do you agree? Definitely. We are going to get it. Yeah. So, if we rotate it, but how it is rotated? See, okay, it is rotated in 90 degree, not completely 90 degree. No, if it is rotated 90 degree, it should be like this here, like this, but it is not rotating completely 90. It is rotating in 135 degrees, we can say 135 degrees. So rotate this figure anti-clockwise in 135 degrees, you will get the figure. You will get your answers here. See, anti-clockwise, if you rotate it, yes, it is going to be here like this. Yeah. So anti-clockwise, only one figure you can see it here. See, option number 1. This is same, so cancelled. This is rotating only some angles, up to here only it is rotating, and it is also rotating up to some angle, so this is cancelled, and option number 1 is correct answer. Yes, rotating. Yes, 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 everyone. Okay, good. Everyone, have you got it? Hope you got it. Yeah. Okay, somebody is saying rotating clockwise. See what happened if it rotated clockwise. Huh? See, suppose if we rotate it clockwise, okay, and we bring it to this position, then what will happen? This shaded portion, hai na, this shaded portion should be here, not here. If you rotate it clockwise, so it is not possible. We have to rotate it anti-clockwise only. Then and then this shaded portion will come at right side. Got it, everyone? Have you got my point? Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. I think this will be last question because already it's 8:30, almost near to 8:30. Okay. So think about next question. Question number 7, and tell me correct answer. It's very easy. You can do it. Option number 3. Yes, you are right, but justify your answer, please. Okay. Everyone, justify your answers, please. Can you explain me how? See, I will explain. Every time there is a different figure. See, outer structure. See, outer structure. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see it is pentagon. Pentagon. Here it is square. So now it is circle. So differently, definitely other figures should be here. Okay. So circle will not be there. So this is cancelled. Okay. Triangle can be there, triangle can be there, square also can be there. But see, symbols. Here are the different symbols. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, square and square is not repeated. All symbols are same, but here all symbols are different. So this is cancelled. Now only we have left option number 2 and option number 3. Now we have to check it. Okay, see, here was the 5 circles, here is the 4 triangle, so one less. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pentagon. Okay, now it should be a 3 similar figures should be there. So where it is here only. 1, 2, 3. It is not here. Here are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is cancelled, and the right answer is option number 3. Got it, everyone? Hope you got it. So finding the correct figure, do you think it is interesting? Yes, definitely it is interesting. I find it quite interesting. About you, I don't know, but while solving analogy based on figures, it is quite interesting, isn't it? Yes, definitely it is interesting. If you do by 100% dedication. Okay, so I think already time is over, but before going I will tell you the homework, and the homework is homework is you have to solve the exercise. Yesterday we solved exercise number 3.1. Today you are supposed to solve exercise number 3.2 from Navneet. Okay, of intelligent test. Yes, everyone. Okay, yes. Onkar, it is interesting. Yes, definitely it is interesting, everyone. So thank you for your cooperation. We'll meet in the next period with the new topic. Okay, till then, bye. See you. Good night and take care. Bye, everyone.